friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. If you start eating 2 cloves a day, this is what happens to your body. In addition to simply spicing up dishes that they are added to, cloves have a variety of health and medicinal benefits. This is one of the reasons why they are among the top most popular spices in the world. They are basically the unopened, fragrant, pink flowers of the evergreen clove tree, which is native to Indonesia. The health benefits of cloves vary from dental problems to improving digestion. By just eating 2 cloves per day, your body can receive a multitude of health benefits like those mentioned in this video. Strengthens the immune system. Ingesting cloves greatly helps in boosting the immune system by increasing the number of white blood cells present within our bodies, which are known to combat infectious diseases. This is largely due to the vitamin C content in cloves. They provide relief from toothaches. Cloves contain local anesthetic properties to relieve discomfort from pain, such as when you are having a toothache, simply place a clove on that tooth and it will help relieve the pain. Nevertheless, you should still go to see a dentist. They improve the liver. Cloves consists of eugenol oil, which helps in improving the liver function. This in turn will detoxify the body and keep it from toxic substances. It also helps the liver in metabolizing the medicines we ingest. Improves digestion. Cloves tend to stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, thereby making them an effective remedy for treating digestive issues. They are also rich in fiber, which helps in avoiding constipation and promoting digestive health. However, the best way to cure digestive issues using cloves is by consuming them in a powder form or honey roasted. Cloves even help in reducing nausea. They have a high antioxidant content. Cloves contain polyphenols, which are micronutrients that our bodies absorb when we eat plants, and cloves happen to be #1 most potent dietary source of polyphenols. These micronutrients provide our bodies with huge benefits such as increasing longevity, lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, and improving the flexibility and functioning of the arteries. Reduces inflammation and pain. The eugenol oil in clove has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Thus, it can be used as an effective remedy for pain relief during headaches. To relieve headaches using cloves, you can simply consume a mixture of clove powder and rock salt added and mixed in a glass of milk. Another way to use them to relieve a headache is by soaking them in coconut oil and then using that for massaging your templates. Cloves are beneficial for your bones and joints. There are certain elements like manganese, eugenol, and flavonoids found in cloves which are essential in promoting bone and joint health. All these substances are responsible for creating bone tissue, transporting healthy minerals to the bones, and increasing bone density. Cloves have antibacterial properties. Cloves were a subject of research against bacteria like Staphylococcus and E. coli in a study conducted at the University of Buenos Aires. The results showed that clove oil effectively eliminated these serious bacteria. In fact, cloves, basil, and tea tree oil can be used to make a herbal mouthwash. The Department of Periodontics at the KU Leuven University in Belgium states that this natural mouthwash is very effective in reducing the amount of plaque and bacteria in the mouth and even for improving gum health, simply by using it for only 21 days. They help in regulating blood sugar. Cloves act like insulin within the body and hence are perfect for those with blood sugar problems like diabetes. They keep your blood sugar in check by restoring the balance in blood sugar by exporting the excess sugar from your blood to your cells. They prevent stomach ulcers. Clove extracts possess certain compounds that can treat painful stomach ulcers. Research on this subject has shown that cloves help in stimulating mucus production within the stomach. The gastric mucus produced stops the thinning of the lining of the stomach, which exposes the delicate tissue underneath, thereby preventing its erosion by gastric acids, causing ulcers. They can slow blood clotting. Blood clotting can be slowed down by the eugenol content in cloves. However, you should always keep in mind that this might not react well with blood thinner medications, and you should always consult your doctor before incorporating more cloves into your daily diet. Cloves might protect you against cancer. According to research, there are certain compounds contained in cloves that help protect the body against cancer. A test tube study discovered that clove extracts were successful in promoting cell death in cancer cells and stopping the growth of tumors. Another such study produced similar findings, wherein concentrated amounts of clove oil caused the cell death of 80% of esophageal cancer cells, while a third study showed that the eugenol in cloves were successful in promoting the cell death of cervical cancer cells. Thus, the eugenol in cloves does have anti-cancer properties, but only concentrated eugenol and clove oil was used in these studies. Since high amounts of eugenol oil can be toxic for humans, it still is a work in progress. They cure respiratory infections. Cloves can be used in teas to treat the symptoms of cold or flu. It can act as an expectorant, which relieves congestion, making it easy to get rid of phlegm from the respiratory tracts. All you have to do is take a few cloves and brew them along with herbal or green tea. Helps in treating acne. Cloves contain antibacterial properties which can effectively reduce acne on the skin. When dirt and harmful bacteria accumulate on your skin, they use it as a breeding ground and hence cause acne and pimples. Clove extracts have wonderful antibacterial properties that help in eliminating such skin problems and even lessen swelling and redness of pimples with its anti-inflammatory properties. They promote youthful skin. The antioxidants in cloves eliminate harmful radicals that cause the skin to age faster and which bring out premature wrinkles. Thus, cloves help in promoting youthful and healthy skin by preventing inflammation. Cloves are extremely beneficial in terms of health and should be contained in the kitchen cabinet of every household. Live a youthful and healthy lifestyle full of vitality by simply consuming 2 cloves a day. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.